Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Lock Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install this part. Warning: we recommend disconnecting the battery before beginning the installation. Begin by removing the bottom shroud mounting screws. Next, gently pry the upper and lower shrouds apart from one another and remove them from the column. Disconnect the electrical connect to the ignition lock. Insert the key and turn the ignition lock to the accessory position. Then, using a small angled awl or similar tool, press and hold the release tab located on the back of the ignition lock housing. Finally, pull the lock cylinder from the housing. To install the new lock cylinder, reconnect the electrical connect to the ignition lock. Reconnect the negative battery cable and perform the theft deterrent relearn procedure using the following steps.